I'm telling you, this is an exciting episode. What's up everyone, and welcome to one exciting episode. I am here in Kibagabaga today and I'm about to tour this magnificent property behind me. These are newly constructed villas out here in Kibagabaga. You're looking at 350 square meters of land, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 2 sitting areas. But nice and beautiful construction. So here you're looking at this property that you can own today for only $300,000 or 390 million Rwandan francs. This is a nice episode I have for you today. Let's get started. Well, man, oh man, you know what they say about Kibagabaga, the Beverly Hills of Kigali? You have clean streets, beautiful neighborhoods, well landscaped, all finished up. But man, we're here to see these properties here. It's 3 properties that are finished construction at the same time. One is already gone. We have 2 on the market for the moment, same specs. So we're gonna tour one so that you have an idea of what they look like. And if you're interested, you can just pick one today. Now, what you have are these beautiful villas. The construction is nice, the quality of finishes is amazing, and you have in here some really good value. And in addition, this part of Kibagabaga attracts really high-paying tenants. So a property like this unfurnished could easily collect something like $2,500 every month. Now, let's start about the specs. So you have tarmac road, really have accessibility to things. So you have schools nearby, like Mother Mary is just down here like in 1 kilometer. You have Green Hills in like 3 kilometers from here. So you beat traffic when you're dropping kids to school. In addition to that, you have Kibagabaga Hospital just in a walking distance. Shopping areas, there's a couple of malls that side and this side, plus fine restaurants like Pili Pili, which is just in 1 kilometer from here. So you have everything you need in your vicinity. Oh, in addition, the famous Kimirongo market, you have just like 5 minutes drive from here. So shopping for all your fresh groceries is not a problem. The house itself is nice. Coming to it, you get to see that you have these nice straight lines, subtle colors, so they don't shout a lot. You can really customize it to how you want it. But for the moment, you have this nice coffee color, a white creamy texture on the front, but again, just a smooth finish. You have balconies as glass and aluminium. All finishes on windows and doors are aluminium, so it gives it a nice luxurious feel. And as well, the front, you have a 3-car parking space. This is sufficient, pretty sufficient. Of course, it sacrificed the garden, but if you wanted a garden, one can remove a few pavers and then you have your garden. But as well, the finishes and the look and the feel from this house, you feel respected and luxurious. And I think that's something that one is looking for, especially when they are within that budget. Now, to enter the property, we have this first front porch, and it's actually a very spacious front porch. This is really generous space for the front of the property and open to have a few seats over here to just have some fresh air. The neighborhood is very quiet that it can be you can easily sit here and really have no problem. Again, aluminium balcony and glass. And when we enter, first thing we see, we have this sliding door, pretty heavy and floor to ceiling. You have a net in case you want to have the door open, but you don't want mosquitoes inside. But man, when we enter, you get to see that everything in here is pretty spacious. Look at this room. It's very big. You're looking at probably 6x7 for this space. I mean, this is among the spacious rooms, living rooms we've toured on this channel. But as well, the finishes is really nice. You have these beautiful long non-slippery tiles, beautiful gypsum ceilings above with cove light detail, and the nice chandelier in the middle. This is where the TV wall is supposed to be, but again, we transition, we head to this side where you have your dining area. Again, I love the cladding on that pillar in there. I think that's a column, so they clad it with some nice wood so that it gives it a nice touch. But as well, you transition to this dining area, which is again very, very spacious. Look at this space. It's huge, which is good. You need that for your comfort. And of course, you have a little bar seating on this side because there is this opening that takes you to the kitchen, and the kitchen as well is pretty spacious. You have these pendant lights over here, and you come to it. This is a really beautiful kitchen. It comes fitted, so you have your oven down here, you have your burner. This is a 5-burner stove, extractor fan over here, beautiful cabinetry, double sink on this side, space for your fridge, so that's a double door fridge, which is good. You have an additional space for your pantry, so I mean everything you need. That space is not enough. You still have some storage even in here. As you realize, we don't have those bars that we usually have, so aluminum finishes, but technically really open. While we're here, let's see what the back looks like. As I said, this is new construction, so they still have a few finishes here and there, but this is the outdoor kitchen, which is good. Space that takes us back to the front of the property. You have your maid room on this side, and on that side, we have an additional bathroom for the service. So in addition, tank of water, 3,000 liters up above, so no issue with water whatsoever. So, which is good. It gives you that security that even if the city water could go out, you will have clean water to use at home with no problem. Now, let's get back into the living room. And we get over here, we get to access the rooms. Now, we use this door to see that we have a guest bathroom on this side, so it's a little powder room under the stairs. You gotta use the space as much as you can. And here we have the access to the first bedroom. I mean, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this space. This could qualify easily as a master bedroom in another house, but this is not even close. But as well, nice bedroom. You have your pots on this side, so I'm assuming the head of the bed will be this side. Big window for ventilation and clarity. Again, you have everything prepared for, so you have a net, you have a big window, so if you open it up, you have a net, no insects comes in here. And as well, each room in this house is self-contained. So we have our bathroom on this side, toilet, vanity space, touch mirror, and we slide this aluminum door to access the bathroom, which is well enclosed, so no water dripping everywhere. Nice rain head and handheld, pretty spacious bathroom. I mean, yeah, I like this space. And of course, continuing, I gotta mention a little bit, they have a nice door. You remember the type of wood I like to mention called muvura? All doors in the house, all type of wood, apart from the kitchen cabinetry and the closets, is just muvura. Now, we take the stairs and head up and see. You see attention to detail to things like this. They have these protectors to stairs so that if you hit yourself, it's carved. You don't hurt yourself, which is good. Muvura continues even on these railings, which is good. And we get up here. You are received on this landing. And the landing actually shows you that on the opposite side, we have a big frosted picture window. So you have privacy, plus you have some, light coming in, plus there is a window, so ventilation coming in this side, which is something most people forget. So you have clean air coming in inside this middle section of the home. Now let me tell you a little bit about what the structure of this area looks like. So we have one bedroom on this side, a middle sitting room on that side, another bedroom that side, and this is the master. So let's start with this bedroom and see what it looks like. We get to this room and again get to experience that this is the same size to what we saw downstairs, and these are really big rooms, and they have enough room for you to move. I mean, you could fit a king, even a super king size bed in here and have no problem at all with the space, because closet is already provided for, high ceilings, big windows, so ventilation, clarity, natural light within the room is amazing. And again, this room as well is self-contained, so we take this door and come to this bathroom as well. Different tiles. I love these tiles. They went in here. They are kind of chocolatey. They kind of have, like, seriously, you can see the similarity between the wood color and the tiles. I think this is nifty and really nice. But then the walk-in shower is really good. I love it when developers really think of things. You love like this shampoo niche that has a light. I mean, if the insulation is correct, this is a nice nifty detail. Nice rain head above, of course, well enclosed in with these aluminum panels. You have your vanity space, of course, touch mirror again, and then you have your toilet just back here. This is really nice. And as if that's not all, you have as well a little balcony for the back. So you can share this, and I'll show you which other space share that balcony as well in 1 second. Because if we get back to the landing, then that means we come to this middle section. So this is really sitting area, like an additional sitting area for the family, TV plugs, opening. Again, you remember the balcony we just used? It's there. So you have access from this sitting area as well. And this room, because it has like this big door, which is just all glass, you have big window, it's very well lit, and it acts as a middle section for this room as well, because this room has its own closet outside, which is really nifty, and the access to the room as well is nice. I mean, look at this. So having everything outside gives you this space for just the bed. I mean, you can set up even a little office if it's your kid, so that they have complete access. I think that's a nice addition. And on this side, we have a balcony, which is a nifty detail. I mean, look at this. And the view, it's not bad, because standing here, I can see the convention center that side. I can see the stadium is behind these trees, so I can't see them. I'll be able to see them from the master bedroom. But overall, this is a spacious balcony space. And again, this room is self-contained, so you have this space. They're doing some final work. I'm realizing these are just the frosted panels so that you don't hit yourself, you know, when it's open. I think this is nifty. I like it when a developer thinks of detail. So let me not enter to not disrupt their work, but that's a walk-in shower, different tiles. I love that each room has a different taste to it. I think this is good. Again, similar setup for this bedroom as well. Now, as you know, the remaining part is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom can be accessed through this door. Literally from here all the way there is the master bedroom. So we enter, the first thing we see is this walk-in closet. Let me turn on the light. So you have a walk-in closet on this side, which is pretty spacious. Let me close this door so that we have the complete access. So plenty of cabinetry already, so closet space. All your clothes can be stored in here. You have some more additional closets on this side. The bedroom has, of course, the bathroom, which we'll tour in a second. But man, oh man, look at this room. I mean, you can't beat this, because we've not seen a room that is this big in a while. And you know, think about the closet we just left on that side. If we turn around a little bit, you see that we have even more closet space on this side. Let me close this door. I mean, look at this. Enough closet space for all your clothes. And you have big sliding doors on this side, big windows, so plenty of natural light. And Where the camera is right now, if it can stay there, imagine you're waking up and the view you have is the stadium. Because you just have the stadium over there, and you turn around a little bit, you have the convention center on that side, just from your bedroom. This is nice. This feels classy. And as I promised, I'll show you the bathroom just right now, because we have a spacious, like really spacious bathroom. I mean, look at this. Tiles are different, so you have some with marble streaks in this master bedroom. Nice toilet, very quality. You have, if I close this door a little bit, we have your vanity, floating vanity on this side. If you see me staying there, say hi to him. And on this side, you have this huge, I mean, man, you could sleep in here, because what is this? Look at this space, it's pretty. I'm walking in the walk-in, of course, it's a walk-in shower. So I'm walking in the walk-in shower. I mean, look at this. Again, shampoo niche, nice rain head and handheld. Overall, big, humongous bathroom. Like, this is a nice walk-in shower. And that is not all for the master, because when we go back into the room, we access the balcony. I mean, look at this. Look at this space. This is huge. This is huge because you could fit a nice sitting over here. So your chill out zone in the evening, you're coming from work, the neighborhood is very quiet. You're just reflecting on the day, thinking on where you're gonna get the next deal to buy another property from Quick Homes Rwanda. And man, you have this as a view. You could see all the way. That is Kigali Heights on that side. I don't know if the camera can show it. You have Mount Kigali on that side. You have the stadium on that side. Everything you need. Everything you need. And you have the city center on the far end. So this balcony in itself gives value to this particular property, and I love it. Alright everyone, that's it with today's episode. We are here in Kibagabaga looking at this beautiful property that has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 2 sitting areas, 350 square meters of land in this beautiful area of Kibagabaga, and that you can buy today for 390 million Rwandan francs or $300,000. Call us today on +250 788 44 18 44 for more information and to drop on this property. We really appreciate showing you beautiful properties from out here in Kigali. And I even forgot, please consider subscribing if you're new here. This property is on the market. Tell your friends, tell your family. If you know anybody who is looking for fine property in Kigali, this is it. Until next time, it's been Quick Homes Rwanda. Yes.
Sorry for disturbing.
No, it's okay.
Is this house